Hello, this is a mini project for Arduino Playground. As you can see, there is a pattern of LED which generates sad face and a smile face. This hardware consists of two switches. When I press one switch, it should turn into a sad face. When I press the other switch, it should turn into a smiling face. The hardware is done in such a way that output, the LEDs are connected to Arduino and switches, which are the input, are connected to Arduino. As you can see, when I press one switch, it turns into a sad face. When I press the other switch, it turns into a smile face. I would now explain how the connections are done. In this hardware, we have LEDs as output and switches as input. As you can see, for the complete LED pattern, I have used 23 LEDs. The two eyes, the left eye and the right eye consist of 8 LEDs. The nose consists of 3, the smile consists of 7, and the sad face consists of 7 LEDs. It is a good practice to connect a transistor if you want to drive more than one LED from a Arduino pin. Hence, for all the 8 eyes, I have used one transistor and then connected to Arduino pin. Similar goes for nose and both sad and smile face. Now I have used a SL100 transistor. I would explain how the connections are done. The Arduino pin is connected to the transistor through the base via a 1K resistor. The LEDs are connected in parallel with 330 ohm resistor in series and that are connected to the collector of the SL100 transistor. All the emitters of all the 4 transistors are grounded. Now let's look at the connection of switches. The one terminal of switch is connected to VCC. The other terminal is connected to ground, and here we have used the transistor as a switch. When I apply one logic at the base of the transistor is saturated and hence our LEDs glow. When I apply zero logic at the base of the transistor is in cutoff region, hence the LED do not glow. Now, as you can observe, for the smile and sad face, we have these two LEDs common. Hence, these two LEDs are directly connected to the Arduino pin. Now, let us take a look at the connections of the two switches. As we know, switches have two terminals. In this, one terminal of the switch is directly connected to VCC. The other terminal has two connections. One, it is grounded via a 1K resistor, and through the same terminal one wire is taken out which is connected to the Arduino. This goes as our input. This resistor is a pull down resistor. It is because when the switch is not pressed, logic 0 goes to Arduino pin, and when the switch is pressed, as you can see here, when the switch is pressed, the complete 5 volt goes across the Arduino pins. Hence, you can say logic 1 goes to the Arduino pin. Now let's take a look at the code. A code in Arduino is known as sketch. What we are seeing on the screen is Arduino IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. A sketch in Arduino can be divided in 4 parts: comments, initialization, setup, and loop. At the start of the code, we have initialized the pins. It is a good method that we generalize the pins. One of the method can be that when I declare any pin as output, I can directly write the pin number. But it would be a better way to declare the pin with a variable so that whenever I want to change, suppose I want to change this pin number 11 to pin number 2, all I have to do here is change the initialization. Now let's take a look at the setup. In setup, we declare the pins of Arduino as output or input. All the LED patterns which are connected with a transistor or directly are declared as output. and the two switches are declared as input. What we want is we want to check the switches whether they are pressed. If they are pressed, either a smile face should appear or a sad face should appear. I have written if digital read switch happy is equal to high. That is, when this switch is pressed, a high input will be given to the Arduino. I have deliberately put a delay of 20 to avoid debouncing, to make sure that my switch is pressed and it is not a noise. When this switch is pressed, a combination of various digital write is used to display the pattern. As you can see, transistor needs logic 1 so that it gets saturated and the LEDs glow on. Now, the two common LEDs which are directly connected to Arduino need a inverted logic. That is, when I give a logic 0, then the LEDs glow. Hence, to the common 1 and common 2 LEDs, I have given a low output. Now, the code goes as, if switch number 1 is detected is pressed, then a combination of happy phase glows. Hence, in the sad, I have given a output low.